Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE and GCSE student. So today we have to discuss one of the interesting question from the Pure Mathematics 1, February, March 2024. So question number 3, a curve is such that dy by dx is equal to 3 times 4x plus 5 raised to 1 by 2. It is given that the point 1, 9 and 5, a lies on the curve. Find a. So here dy by dx is equal to 3 times 4x plus 5 raised to 1 by 2. We have to separate this dy and dx, take the integration, find out c and substitute in the equation, and then we have to find out the a value. So this is 5-mark question. We have a 2-part. First part is we have to find out c, and then we have to use the same equation to find out the a. Alright, so suppose if you want to continue for regular classes, I have left the contact in the description box. You can connect with me directly. So here dy is equal to 3 times 4x plus 5 raised to 1 by 2 dx. Take the integration on both sides plus c. So y is equal to 3 times 1 by 4x plus 5 raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 means it's a 3 by 2. We have to use the integration of x to the power n dx, which is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so upon here 3 by 2 times derivative of this 4x plus 5. Derivative of 4x plus 5 is just a 4 plus c. So 2 times 2 is 4. 3 get cancelled out. So we left with y is equal to 1 over 2 4x plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Now use the first point 1 9. 1 4 times 1 plus 5 raised to 3 by 2. Now square root of 9 is 3 and 3 raised to 3 here is 27. So here 9 is equal to 1 upon 2 times 27 plus c, and if you do the simplification you will get c is equal to negative 4.5. Substitute in this equation. Okay, so we will get y is equal to 1 upon 2 4x plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 plus 4 minus 4.5. Fine. Then nextly you have to find out a, right? So substitute 5 a in the given equation. So a is equal to 1 upon 2 4 times 5 plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 minus 4.5. Fine. Then nextly 1 upon 2 times, now 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25, and 25 square root of 25 is 5. 5 cube is 125. So minus 4.5, and if you do the simplification you will get 116 divided by 2. So a value is basically 58. You can use the calculator is allowed it for AS level. I hope you understood this part, and if you like this video, share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you.